chef and ambassador for Light and Easy, Dom, is joining me today to make me a healthy treat. Healthy treat, I love them, especially when they're sweet.
Yeah, and it is a lovely sweet treat. So what I'm going to make for you today is a chocolate and orange cake. And I'm going to do them in little mini cakes.
I like some of that.
Mini tastes better, I think.
And I like the combination of the chocolate and orange, a bit of a Jaffa feel.
So do I, yeah.
Yes,
so look, what I'm going to do is kick off by zesting an orange.
Yes.
Now, while I'm doing this, I'm going to get you to pop into the mixer. We've got 4 eggs, some canola oil, vanilla essence, and a little bit of sugar.
Okay, in it goes.
This is a really easy recipe, Justine, because it's kind of mix the wet, mix the dry, and then add the two together.
And some oil.
So that's just going to give the cakes just a little bit of moisture.
That's what you need with these cakes, yeah.
And fresh orange juice, which is going to add in a natural sweetness. We're not using a lot of sugar.
Yes, I've noticed there's not too much sugar with this.
No.
So I'll give that a bit of a whisk until it's light and fluffy.
Give that a little bit of a whisk. I'm just going to juice this orange and then I'll add that in as well.
Okay.
For you. So, Justine, I'll give you this orange juice to add in. The great thing about these little cakes too is that it incorporates a serving of fruit, which is always really great when you're wanting to have something sweet too, because you know that it's going to be nice and healthy.
Bit of vitamin C too.
Bit of vitamin C. The next thing I'm going to do is with the zest, I'm going to add in some plain flour, baking powder, and a bit of a secret ingredient is I'm using coconut flour.
Right.
So the coconut flour, what this does, it gives a boost of fibre.
Okay, that's blended. How's that looking?
Excellent, that's great. So Justine, what we want to do is add a little bit of the dry ingredients in, blend, and then add a little bit more in until we've used up all the flours.
This is a really good technique. I'm actually just learning about this now, is to add not the whole lot at the beginning because it can sort of split the batter, right?
That's right, and we don't really want to overwork the flour either so that they come out kind of a little bit tough. You want these to be really nice and light.
All of that flour has been incorporated.
Beautiful.
Looks good. Okay.
Excellent. So let's spoon in.
Smells great.
A little muffin tin.
I can smell the orange and the coconut together, so it's not just chocolate.
I love the fresh zest too. And then what we're going to do is just top that with a few little chocolate chips. Now, because we're using really good dark chocolate, this means that you get maximum flavour and you don't need to eat as much. So fewer calories, which will be hard for me because I love little cakes like this.
Well, lucky there's a few of these for us to try. How long are we going to cook these in the oven for?
So these are on 175 degrees for about 20 minutes.
Great.
Justine, they smell amazing.
They do, and we've allowed them to cool slightly.
And look, for a sweet treat, these are definitely a healthier option.
Yes, absolutely.
That you can make at home, or if you're short on time and you don't have the ingredients, you can always get these delivered to your door by Light and Easy.
Fantastic. I think we should have a taste of these.
I'm definitely going to have a taste.
And look at you plating them up. Just, they look great on that plate.
All right.
Which one? That one's got my name all over it.
I just love the chocolate. They're really nice, aren't they?
Really nice. And the perfect balance of chocolate, coconut, and the orange. Fantastic.
Beautiful.